We sent our purchase order to our vendor, who in turn drop shipped the product to the customer, that is, Callie Reynolds. And now the vendor has sent us the bill. Let's enter it into QuickBooks. From the home page, click Enter Bills in the vendor area. It's going to bring us to a screen that looks like the front of a check. In the drop-down next to Vendor, I'm going to choose who the bill came from, which was Dresden Botanicals. That's where we ordered our products from. QuickBooks is smart enough to recognize that there's already an existing purchase order for this vendor, and it's asking me if I want to receive this bill against one of those orders. I do, so I'll click Yes. This brings me a list of all my purchase orders. If I had more than one, it would be helpful to know the date or the PO number. In this case, as there's only one, I'll place a check mark next to it and click the blue OK button. It automatically populates the amount due based on that purchase order, and when the bill is probably due based on when I sent it. It even tells me who the customer is for. Because it knew what purchase order it was from, it automatically populates everything. However, if the bill came with some more items on it, that's fine. I can still add extra things. I can click inside and add more things to it. I can even set the price, the quantity, even a different customer or no customer at all. If I add more things, the bill amount is going to adjust accordingly. When I'm ready to create the bill, I could put in a memo, that is my account number or any other information they need. I could also click Save and New to continue adding more bills, but in this case, I'll click Save and Close. The bill is created, and I can continue to enter bills this way once I receive them in the mail or in my email. In a later video, I'll show you how to pay these bills, but the most important thing right now is making sure they get into QuickBooks.